you guys want to make new jazz beats like Frozy, tap in. The last video I did super good, so I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do another one. So here it is. I'm gonna start at 130. I'm just gonna grab a key. So I'm gonna start with the root notes right here, and then count 3 down. One more. Then we're gonna do a minor 9. I'll take this chord. I'm just gonna add these like little slide notes. Check that one out. Now I'm gonna grab one more, and then these sounds are from a kit that I'm working on. Should be out pretty soon. I'm gonna try layering it with this one. I'm gonna turn this up just to like take out some of the high. Filter more of it. I just want it in the background. Put a serum, and I'm gonna grab one more just to like layer it with. So I'm working on this bank right here. I'll probably put it in the description for free, so if you guys want it, link should be down below. That's cool. So I'm just gonna clone it. I'm gonna add a lead to it. And I'm just gonna keep this super simple. I'm just gonna mix these sounds a bit. I'm like a hi-hat god kind of. So I'm just gonna follow the root notes. I'm gonna add another 808. I'm just gonna like fill it in. Just add like a little something to it. An open hat. Let's try with the velocities. I've never done this open hat pattern with this kind of beat, but let's just hear it. Add like one more melody. Let's just see. Maybe something to like counter the lead. it seems kind of like a lot of melodies, but you just got to make it like switch a lot. The most important thing about these beats is just making good chords. So just use the minor 9 chords. Those are like super fire. And then for the leads, just keep the leads super simple. Like you just want to leave like a lot of space. And yeah, that's kind of the most important thing here.